What you doing?
Playing solitaire.
You're so smart, John.
Thank you, Dad.
You can move the king over.
Okay.
Yeah, there you have open space.
The
The open
Oh,
space. Yeah, there you go.
if we only had a pink king,
Yeah, if only you had a pink one.
so we can move him on her. Cause look, queen. And I don't know why they use shocking characters as the queen, king, 4, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're gonna have to flip a card?
It's
Yeah.
king. And I don't have anywhere to put it.
Well, just put it down in your flip pile.
Why don't I just put it right there?
Your flip pile. You have to have a flip pile, right?
Yeah, this is my flip pile, but why don't we just put it right there for now? Put it right there.
Well, you should probably like put it up here, and until you have somewhere to move it, right?
Yeah.
But look, you missed a spot right there.
Oh. Ooh.
And if you don't have anywhere to put it, you got to put it down. Put it back where you picked it up. Nope, that goes over there. If you have nowhere else to put it. But
Can I put that there?
but that 3 can go on top of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then what do you do with this one?
But we can do the 4 over here. Cool, huh? Put that card. Here. Put that there for now. Oh,
Good job, John.
Alright, that looks like it's done for now. You see anything else, Daddy? From up there?
Nope.
Alright, time to flip. Oh. Alright, I don't want to put this 10. Oh, there you go.
Nope, that doesn't go on the king. A queen goes under the king. Remember, a pink queen. You said it before. And if you have nowhere to put the 10, you put the 10 on top of your flip pile. There you go. Good job.
I don't have an 8. Oh.